Math 3, final benchmark, question 7. Consider the equation of a circle. Which statement is true? All right, so it gives us an equation of a circle, so we have to remember what the different parts are. So we're going to have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals our radius squared. So we need to find h, k, and r. All right, so our h and k, so this is x minus h, so that means h is 4. And then y plus 13, so y minus a negative 13 would be my k. All right, and r squared. If this is our radius squared, that means I take the square root of 4 in order to find r. So r in this case equals the square root of 4, which is 2. All right, so now that we have h and k and r, all we have to do is see which one this is. So it says the center is, all right, so if you don't remember these are opposite, you're going to mess up and choose one of the first two. So you can eliminate the first two knowing that the equation is opposite h and opposite k. Okay, so it's going to be either C or D, which have a center of 4 and negative 13, which is what we have. So these are both correct. And then a radius of 2. Okay, so if you forget to take the square root of 4, you would choose D, but that's not what the equation of a circle says. So the correct answer for number 7 is C.